There's a powerful new AI tool inside Canva that most people don't even know about, and once you know it exists, it might save you a surprising amount of time. In this video, I'm going to show you what this AI tool does, why it's so useful, and how you can start using it in just a few seconds. Let's get started.
All right, I'm in Canva and I'm going to go to Video. Click there, then choose any of these formats, mobile or landscape. I'll choose landscape. This is the video editor, and now I'm going to do something a little different. I'll come down here to Magic Media and click on that. If for some reason you don't see it over here on the side, you can always go Apps and find it there. In here, you can make images, graphics, videos, and even 3D. Click on any of these to see what your options are. For this video, I'll go to Images first and choose Landscape. For styles, I'll choose Concept Art. I've already have a story in mind about a little girl who finds something unique in her garden. I'll enter my prompt here. The little girl is in her backyard and she's exploring. Then she finds an egg under a rose bush, etc. So let's generate some images. I'll click on that and it'll make 4. If you click here, you can see generate more like this. But for now, I'll click on them and add them over here to see them better. This gives you an idea of how this app works. And if you didn't like any of them, you can always choose Generate Again. Check this out. There they all are. I'll add a blank page in between for now. These are extras I don't really need, and I'll probably erase them in a minute, but for right now, I'm just going to leave them there, just in case. Let's make our next image. And this one's different. So I'll delete all of this and add the prompt there, then Generate Again. So here are my image choices for this prompt. Pick one and then continue the same basic process to make all the images for your project. Sometimes you have to experiment with these. They're not always perfect the first time, so if you don't like any of them, just redo it. Okay, so this is my story. Now that I've got all my images done, next I'm going to download each one as a JPEG. Once I've downloaded all my images, the next thing I'm going to do is animate these. For this video, I'll use Grok. This is the site. Let me log in. Now I'll drag in my image right there, and I'll add a short prompt, then click on here. I'll come back in a second when it's done. Okay, and here's what it gave me. It changed it a bit, but I'll take it and download it. Then I'll go back to Canva and put this in my uploads right there. Next, I'll take it over here and replace that image with this video for the scene. Then I'll go back to Grok and do the same thing for image number 2 and all the rest of the images for my video. Notice on this second video that it actually added sound, which I didn't ask for. So be aware that Grok does this frequently. But now I'll take this new video and go back over here to Canva and upload it. Then I'll add it into my video and delete the older image. Just do the same basic process until all your images have been converted into videos. Next, I'll enlarge this a little to make it easier to see. I'll come right back here and I'll add a dissolve transition. Next, I'll scroll down here, add it between all scenes. Then, once it's all done and I'm ready to download it, I'll go right up here to Share, choose Download, make sure MP4 is chosen, and click Download. In just a second, I'll show you the whole thing. Now that you know the process, it's time to try it for yourself. What kinds of videos will you make? Feel free to share them with me in the comments below.
Kitty, what did you find? It's hiding under the bush. And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.